you have the ability to put the inputs that are specific to your pad. And as a result of that, then you have the ability to say, oh, let me see what the results are. And of course, one of the things that this is going to do for you is it's going to tell you whether or not this is something that is field ready. And so in this particular example, and again, all I used was the default component, we see that there's a green light. It says that it's field ready. And again, one of the things that you have is you have the ability to look at all of these options. So the engine compatibility for various generators right here, the quality flags, whether it's meets the requirements, also your treatment cost estimator. And then it allows for you to then, of course, once again, save your analysis and print the summaries so you could share this with other individuals. The next one, of course, that we have is we have our generator derate tool, generator sizing. What this does is it allows for you then to make the determination as to what size generator you have or require. That is going to do two things for you. One is it's going to first tell you what kind of power it can generate so that you can actually run the Bitcoin mining machines. It also allows you to do some customization. One of the things that I had mentioned up on the gas value is that now you can get some very specific components. You can put in what the state is, what the elevation is, also the ambient temperature. You can do that either from a generic, or you can then start to get very specific with coordinates, or you could just look it up by zip code if you don't have that information available. So we've built a tool that allows for those inputs to be done. And of course, then we can import. So you put in this information back in the gas quality screener that's unique to your pad. Well, you can import that information right from that calculator over. And again, this is only captured locally on your machine, but it allows for then that information to be automatically brought over, and then allows for you then to have relevant information as it relates. But then it also allows you to do something else, and that is you can actually pick some of the generator models. And what we've done here is we've provided you with 8 models that are standard models that are out there in terms of what they can produce. But you also can put in information about a model that isn't included, so that's specific to your site.